Hey awesome learners, welcome. In the last video we have created our portfolio app and we have given a hello message from the portfolio app. In this part we are going to design our portfolio app. For the designing, let me first open my website. No, this is not. Okay, this is my website where I am maintaining all the source codes and the presentation and the videos. So we are going to use this website for this part because you have to download the source file from this button. You have to press this button and you have to download the source files. Okay, basically what are the source files? I have placed all the images, all the css, all the javascripts, all the files in a source format, and that file will look like this source.zip. So we are going to we are going to place this file inside our project. So let me just open Django basics. This is the project folder. Inside that, our app my portfolio. Inside that, we are going to create a static folder, and I think you know why we are going to create static folder, because static folder will store all the static files. Okay, so we are going to store all the static file over here. Let me just extract this file to source over here. Okay, it is extracting. It have extracted, so let me just open that folder. Okay, mainly 4 files. Let me just copy these files and place inside here. Okay, we have placed all the source static file inside the static folder, and now we are going to edit our about.html. Okay, let me just close this is the static file. Okay, so let me just go to Sublime Text, and inside Sublime Text we have templates about.html. We are going to update this code. Okay, so we are going to update this code from the website. Here I have written the design, how the about.html will look like. Just copy these lines of codes from here. Okay, just copy it and paste it in Sublime Text. Control A, Control B. Okay, I have placed all the codes over here, and for now I am not going to discuss about HTML, CSS and bootstraps. I have used these three concepts over for designing this, and you can find all the HTML, CSS related stops and basics in other parts. So in this part I am not elaborating that. I think you know it, how HTML design will do. Then how CSS, you will include CSS, and if not then you should search in Google. And for now just think that this will be going to done by a UI designer who will design your website. After that you are going to develop, you are going to UX, user experience, we are going to use the UX part. Okay, so for now we have just placed about.html, and now let me just restart the server. Let me just break the server by Control C and restart the server manage.py. Okay, the server being restarted. Just okay, now let me pull my browser and refresh it. I have placed the link and hit enter, and after refreshing you get this beautiful website. So in this part what we have done, we have just downloaded the source files, we have placed all the source files inside the static, and after that we have redesigned our about.html. I am basically using HTML, CSS and bootstrap for creating this website. Thank you for watching.